Okay, doing a video on this nightstand, and I have to say I was very big surprised. It's actually very easy to assemble. It gives you a step-by-step instruction guide, and it was actually incredibly simple considering the fact that I am not good at putting things together. But I'm 5'4", and this thing stands at probably about my hip, but it's absolutely great. It's very sturdy. The drawers they're kind of like a cloth type of material, but they're super cool. I think this is a very awesome purchase. I'm very pleased with it. I can't wait to put it to good use in my son's dorm room, but definitely a thumbs up for this nightstand. I think you will also be very pleased with it.
Wanted to do other than the act of constructing sentence after sentence.